Well, guys, thanks for tuning back into Mad Dog Fishing. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm out here this morning trying to catch a pompano, maybe some whiting. Maybe to take the Mardi Gras, we're going to do a fish cookout, maybe do a crab boil. Haven't decided yet. Meeting up with some friends in Mobile, maybe this weekend. Not this weekend, the following weekend. But yeah, we're trying out here early this morning. You can see the fog hasn't let up. It's not going to let up till later on today. The water looks good, so hopefully we'll get us a pompano, and then we're going to go catch some crabs. I already picked up my chicken. I got to go get my net and my line. Man, we're going to have a blast. We're going to have us a cook tonight. Might do a crab boil tonight, and whatever we can catch today, it'd be great to have some pompano and crab tonight. So let's just hang on, and hopefully we're going to have a fish in a minute. But yeah, all I'm fishing with is fish bites. I do have some shrimp with me. I may break out a little bit, but right now I just got fish bites out. Still waiting on my fish gum to come in. But yeah, it's nice out here this morning. About 68 degrees. Well, I caught a few sand fleas. I wasn't getting any bite on shrimp or fish bites. So I went and I dredged up some sand fleas. We got some fresh sand fleas out there. I got a big one. Got a couple of medium-sized ones out there. The big one will probably catch a black drum if it does anything. It's a little big for pompano. But I got some just right for pompano. But I hadn't even had a bite. So we're going to fish for a couple more hours, and then we're going to go crabbing. But hopefully, we're going to have fish here in a minute. The water is beautiful. Water temperature is perfect. I don't know what it is, but if they come through here, I've got the bait for them. We got a variety of baits out. We got it out in different zones. So I'm surprised I haven't even caught a whiting yet. Not even a bite. I had some shrimp out earlier. Nothing even touched it. That's never a good sign. So we're going to fish, like I said, maybe an hour or two, and then we're going to go pick up our net and go do some crabbing. So guys, hang in there. Just be patient. It's that time of year. We're right here. I mean, we're so close to pompano season. I can taste it. I just thought I'd get ahead of the game. There's been a few being caught. Caught a short the other day, and I'm ready for them. I'm ready for them to start running. Everything's perfect. Just waiting on them. Well, been here about 2.5 hours. Not a single bite. I've tried sand fleas. I've tried fresh shrimp. I've tried fish bites, pink and the orange and white. Not a bite. Not a bite. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pack up. We're going to either go to a different location. We are going crabbing. May have to put that on another video if I start catching fish. But right now, it's not looking good. I don't know what it is. I mean, it's just that time of year. Things are slow. I'm in a great location. So obviously the pompano haven't showed up yet. If they are, they're out further than I can reach with my surf rod. Even got my 15-foot surf rod. So I'm getting way out there to the second sandbar, but nothing, not even a bite. What we're going to do, we're just going to load up. I hate loading all this stuff up, but it is what it is. You got to move around this time of year to find the fish. So let's load up and find another spot to fish. Well, I went and checked on my surf cart. It'll be ready this afternoon, but we're going to take it out Friday for its test run. I'm super excited about it. Decided not to go back surf fishing. If I do, it'll be later on this afternoon. Right now, let's go catch some crab. That's what's for dinner. Well, I'm out here by myself today. Show you some footage real quick of when me and Tammy get out here. She is the guru. Now, I can't get on the other side. There's somebody over there. But I've already got one taking a bait now. But I need 4 for dinner. Looks like I got one on each line. Gonna try to catch a crab here.
Okay.
And slow this down.
Got one, huh? Yeah, there's definitely something. How long do you know? I don't down in the water so it doesn't get shocked. We got our buckets ready.
What?
When you see me, and basically when you see the chicken leg, tap it down a little bit more. My friend Pam is way better at this than me. But I'm not too bad. I'm still trying to take off with it. He might be off. Nope, he left it all on there. Yep.
Down there?
Got him.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, down.
5 inches.
That's a good sign.
How about that?
Come here, Mike.
We got our first crab.
He got off.
Oh,
No, it's still there.
no, he's playing with it. We're going for number 2.
Oh,
There's something on that one.
Can you net and pull?
I didn't see that one.
Sometimes.
Yep, I'll pull this one. Let you pull.
Yeah, you can't do it too fast. They'll just jump
go.
right off.
Oh.
It might be gone already.
Oh, that one just moved.
Yep. He was trying to get on the other one. We'll throw it back out if nothing's on it.
Yeah.
Seems like it's sideways. Maybe something's on it. Nope.
This is chicken leg. I'm surprised the pelicans don't come out here. Try to get it.
Here it comes. There.
Oh, gosh, that was a good one, too.
Yeah.
That was a
It
good
was.
one.
It happens.
Golly.
Don't worry, it happens.
I slacked on that one.
Female. Yeah, that's a female right there.
That's soft shell crab?
No,
Soft shells
Not
when
yet.
they're molting.
not right now.
Okay.
That's a female. You want the top?
Yep, yep.
Before she bites me. I've got so many scars. Whoops. Okay,
I do have
Lady.
gloves.
get in here.
Thanks.
Big one.
Big.
That's big
That's a
claws
good
right
one.
there. Yeah.
Huh.
That's big claws right there.
Yeah. That's what
Male.
we want right there,
Yeah.
folks. Well, we're not going to sit here and record every single one because we'll be here all day. But we will show you a tally in a minute, and then all that good stuff. So hang on. Got my first one. Yes. Yeah, I look like a total noob out here doing this. But we got two. Well, guys, I told y'all when I was out surf fishing we were going to come crabbing. Met up with my friend Tammy. We have racked up again today. Let me just show you what we got. Don't know what happened to the camera, but it came out today and we loaded up again. That's dinner tonight. And we're gonna do a crab boil. But right now we're gonna go home and cook these up, and that's what's for dinner. Well guys, I made it back to the house, and I tell you what, I am starving. I'm ready to get these crabs boiling and get to eating. Tonight, all I'm gonna do is a personal crab boil. I'm just gonna boil up 3 or 4 crabs just for myself. I'm gonna save the rest for a gumbo or some lump crab meat. I haven't really decided yet, but right now we're just gonna do the catch and cook on a crab boil. It's very simple. So let's get to it because I am starving. Alright guys, we boiled our crab, and really got, all I'm using is Zatarain's crab boil. Great stuff. Boil them for 5 minutes. You let them sit in a hot bath for about, let them sit in the season for about 15-20 minutes. I let them sit for about 15 minutes. I took them out. I've got them soaking in ice water right now. Let them soak in ice water for about 15 minutes. Let them get cooled down. That way you can just dig right into them. I mean, does that just not look good or what? As I'm dripping stuff all over my floor. Anyway guys, we're letting those cool down and then we'll dig in. Well guys, they've been sitting for about 20 minutes. It's time to eat. Let me just give y'all. I mean, does that not look delicious? Well, I'm fixing to dig in. Guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, we're all about surf fishing, inshore fishing, and of course freshwater fishing. And also we can add crabbing to that as well. But we're fixing to dig into this. It's one of my favorite seafoods to eat. I love all shellfish, shrimp, crab, oysters. Love it all. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the water.